7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up.
So now we were discussing finding out of discrete Fourier transform by fast techniques.
तर तुम्ही येत नाही तर हां
We are developing an algorithm for finding out the discrete Fourier transform by reducing the number of computations. Therefore, it is called as fast Fourier transform. We did it by using decimation in time. We derived that, wherein we took the sequence, we grouped the sequence into two parts, found out the individual transforms of these two parts, and combined these two parts to have the final transform. What we did, we had the sequence, we grouped it into two parts, even and odd, found out the transforms of both, and combined them to get the original transform. Now what we are doing? Now we are trying to explore whether is it possible for me to combine the sequence. I have one n-point sequence. By having proper combination, I will prepare two n by 2 point sequences whose transform points would be directly the transform points in the original transform in some different order. What I am trying to explore, that it should be very much clear first. I have capital N points, I have a capital N point transform which can be otherwise found. Then I am trying to explore whether I can prepare two n by 2 point sequences which are constructed by a suitable combination of the original n points in such a manner that the transforms of these two n by 2 point sequences, these transform points will be the transform points in the original transform. No further combination is required, only grouping is to be done. Right? So, have the points, combine them, prepare two sets of n by 2 points, find transform, and just rearrange the transform points. So capital N point transform is now the rearranged two n by 2 point transforms, which n by 2 point sequences are prepared by a suitable combination of n point sequence. So I am looking at in this manner, and from that point of view I am trying to explore. In order to save time, I have written it first. So no new thing has been done, or even I will separate out later on, but in general xk is like this. So it's a 0 to n minus 1. These are just doing two parts. 0 to n by 2 minus 1, if it is 0 to 7, then what I will do? 0 to 3 and 4 to 7. So 0 to n by 2 minus 1 and n by 2 to n minus 1. Then I just proceed. Then what I do here? Here I put what I put a variable p because I want it to start from 0. So what is p? P is n minus n by 2. So n will be p plus n by 2. So that I put here. When I put here that, then what happens? That k wn raised to kn by 2 is independent of p. So that comes outside. That comes outside. Is it? I think there is no problem. And it again p equal to 0 to n minus n by 2 minus 1 xp and this kp. Now once I do that, I can put n equal to 0 here, no problem. Idea should be very much clear. In place of p, I can replace n as long as it does not have any bearing outside this summation. I can completely replace it again by n, and then I can combine this. So I separated two sums. Up to this point, is there any problem? Up to this point, there is no problem. Then now only question is, can I replace n here for p? Or if you find that is problem, then you can replace this as m, this also as m, because both are in different This is in one group, this is in the other group. So if I replace P by N again, then what I find? I find that if I replace it, what it will become? N equal to 0 to N by 2 minus 1, x of N plus N by 2, Wn raised to Kn. So I see that this range Wn raised to Kn are same. So I can group it like this. So Xn and this, what is this term? This term is Xn plus N by 2, but it comes with a multiplier. So these are now two sums ranging over same range of N. These are two sums ranging over same range of small n. So those I can combine. So Xn plus Wn raised to Kn by 2 Xn plus capital N by 2 means if capital N is 8, then I will prepare X0 plus W8 raised to K 4K X4. 1 point. Is it clear? So there is no new theme is here, just a rearrangement. So I can say that Xk is this. You concentrate on this square part. Xk is Xn Wn raised to this plus this W raised to K. Is it clear? There should not be ambiguity as such. Then this is a sum of 4 terms only. Or n by 2 term means capital small n indexes from 0 to n by 2 minus 1. Because I have already taken care of remaining by this multiplication and this. So just I have reduced capital N point TFT as sum of capital N by 2 terms. But there is no change made because in one term I have added the other summation. And now if I look towards this Xk separately for odd and even. What is this Xk? Xk is the transform points. Xk is the transform points. K is the index of transform points. It varies from, it goes from 0 to capital N minus 1. So I can look for even points separately, I can look for odd points separately. Just like suppose we have some redundancy in our eyes. We cannot have like otherwise we can if we have been or with the help of 3D goggles and all that can be thought of. So what we can have 8.1 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then what you can not 8 only 7. So what you can have your left eye is even eye and right eye is odd eye. So for even eye you only see 0 2 4 6 and for odd eye you see 1 3 5 7. You are looking differently at the end points. So you are looking at the capital N point sequence as two sequences of n by 2 points. So have separate treatment for even points, have separate treatment for odd points. So this formula can be changed for two components. For E1 what it will become? For E1 you can put K equal to 2m. For E1 you can, this K ranges from 0 to n minus 1. For E1 you can put K equal to 2m such that K will range from 0 to n by 2 minus 1. And for odd, K would be equal to 2n plus 1. And this range will be same. So now this we rewrite. We rewrite this. When we rewrite this, we come to an interesting conclusion very immediately. So capital X2M. X2M is equal to what? X2M is equal to N equal to 0 to capital N by 2 minus 1. Then the bracket. In the bracket, what will change? In the bracket, only one thing will change. That is, instead of K, there will be 2M. Instead of K, there will be 2M. And when there is 2M, it is Wn square. So Wn square is Wn by 2 and M. So it would be Xn plus X plus Wn by 2 raised to Mn by 2. Right? Mn by 2. Or what would be W? What would be Wn by in general? What would be W n by 2 raised to n by 2?
1.
Wn by 2 raised to n by 2 would be
W2.
would be 1.
W2. W2. W2.
You just check whether there is some small mistake there.
W2 है ना W2 का W2 है ना W2 है ना W2
You just verify them.
काढ की लवकर पण W1 काढ की e⁻ मायनस जे अरे घ्यायचं काय W1 म्हणजे माहिती झालं ना काय e⁻ जे 2π अपॉन कॅपिटल N.
You just verify here.
W
N equal to n by 2, n minus 1, x n minus 2
e⁻ जे 2π हां 2π अपॉन कॅपिटल N.
p plus
हां आता ह्याला रेस टू n by 2 करा रेस टू n by 2 n by 2 चा आत आला हां हे n कॅन्सल झालं वर आली रेस टू मायनस जे पाय मग याला काय करायचं आपण ह्याला असं Wn मध्ये कसं करायचं होतं नंतर कॅन्सल झालं
परत रेशो काय करायचं रेशो 2π करायचं 2 n करायचं
का हां ह्याला काय तर बोलतो बोलतो
परत मल्टिप्लाय करायचं वर रेशो करायचं 2 n.
you get something here.
टू मायनस जे पाय म्हणजे W
आपल्याकडे एवढी टर्म आहे फक्त 2 n नाही आपल्याकडे मग त्याला रेशो 2 n केलं तर
असं कसं करणार कुठून आणणार W हां थांब तर काय म्हणले Wचा स्क्वेअर हा किती असतो Wn by 2 असतो हो ना स्क्वेअर 1 by 2 असतो ना म्हणजे स्क्वेअर केला तर काय राहणार सगळं स्क्वेअर बाय हां 1 by 2 त्याच्यात गोल आहे का 1 1 1
So it come, it will be 1.
Yes, sir.
बोलते कोणत्या कंपनीचा
What we change? X to m is this. For x to m for all points, what will be the situation? Only thing is that for all points, what will happen? For all points, what will happen? For all points now, see what the situation would be. What will happen? Is Wn raised to 2m plus 1 n by 2. So Wn
सांगितलं की म्हणजे फक्त 2m plus 1 पाय म्हणून
m plus 1 n by 2. So what it will be? Wn raised to 2m n by 2 into Wn raised to right? So this is 1. And what is this? This is minus 1. Actually, we could have made a simple thing here. Wn raised to n by 2 is minus 1. Wn raised to n by 2 is minus 1. You can verify anyhow. Wn raised to n by 2 is minus 1. So what will happen then? Here it would be same, n equal to 0 to capital N by 2 minus 1, xn minus xn plus n by 2 and say Wn by 2. Then what? Then what? Then one more thing which will happen is that k, this k is also, here also there is 2m plus 1. So it would be Wn raised to 2n plus 1 raised to n. So it would be, I can rewrite it separately. That is
म्हणजे बडीसोडीकडे सगळं संपवलं काय
Wn raised to 2mn into Wn
शेवटी मी डोंगरे गेले
raised to
तर
n.
करून लागले
Wn raised to 2mn is Wn, it is Wn by 2
जेवण कसं वाटतं
raised to
तुला
mn
एक नंबर
and this
गुजराती मस्त वाटते मस्त वाटते
Wn raised to
ती कडे कसली होती पांढरी
n will remain. This Wn raised to n will remain.
कॉलेजचं कसं बोललो झालं झालं नाही आपण बघणार आहे ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी विंडो सरांची मॅसेज टोन पण तिथे वाटतं
So just tell me how to reduce further.
डोंट नो तो कर की तू हे लिहून का घेतोस हे काय करून पुस्तकात असते की मग काय पुस्तक खोलतो मुलगा काय करणं फ्युचरला कर अभ्यास नाही काय नाही तुम्हाला अभ्यास करायला लागतो त्यामुळे ते आहे काय wow.
They will to give. So just we are at a small issue where this one term gets modified such that this becomes an n by 2 point transform. This becomes an n by 2 point transform, and this also becomes an n by 2 point transform. Both become n by 2 point transforms of a separately constructed. This is one separately constructed sequence from which is of n length n by 2 and derived from capital N. This is also same. So that what we see, we take the sequence from the original sequence, have combinations, prepare two n by 2 point sequences, find their transforms, and their transform points are alternate points of actual. Is submitted?